Small businesses have a lot of options when it comes to payment processing, but Square has emerged as the clear leader in this space. Let's explore the reasons why Square is the biggest credit card processor for small businesses. 1. Easy to use. Square is designed to be easy to use for businesses of all sizes. The platform is intuitive and straightforward, making it simple for small business owners to set up and start accepting payments right away. 2. Affordable. Another key reason why Square is so popular among small businesses is its affordability. Square charges a flat per transaction fee for each sale processed through its platform. There are no hidden costs or complicated pricing structures to navigate. This makes it easy for small business owners to understand how much they will be paying for payment processing and helps them budget. 3. Versatile. Square is a very versatile payment processing solution that can be used for in-person transactions, online payments, and invoicing. Square supports a wide range of payment methods, including major credit and debit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay. 4. Data and insights. Square provides valuable data and insights that can help small businesses make informed decisions about their operations. Small business owners can see which products are selling well, track sales trends, and gain insight into their customers' purchasing habits. 5. Easy integration with other business tools. Finally, Square is easy to integrate with other business tools that small businesses use on a daily basis. This includes point-of-sale, POS, systems, accounting software, and e-commerce platforms. Square is the biggest credit card processor for small businesses for good reason. So there you have it. Square is the perfect solution for small businesses looking to increase their revenue and build customer loyalty. Don't wait. Click the link below to sign up for a free Square account today and start taking advantage of this amazing service. Get started on growing your business today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.